Parenthood and Family, an in-depth look at the American family today. What factors need to be considered when deciding whether to parent or not? A huge component to this is age. In general, taking good care of your children until they are of adult age and can take care of themselves is crucial for a healthy development of a child. I think the amount you parent changes. Deciding whether to parent or not should not be the question, but rather how much should we parent and when. Children will always need that hug from you, or comfort. They will always need some sort of advice. As a child gets older, it's important to step away from certain ways of parenting. In a sense, your parenting style will have to grow as your child grows. I don't think you ever should stop parenting your children, even when they are adults. How have trends in parenthood changed? It is becoming more and more common for there to be single-family households. Families are not as big as they used to be. According to this article from Pew Research Center, due to the growth of single-parent households and the drop in fertility, not only are Americans having fewer children, but the circumstances surrounding parenthood have changed. There is no longer a dominant family form, and the idea of what a family is constantly evolving. Blended families are a very common thing today, as well as unmarried women giving birth to children and either opting or forced to raise these children on their own. Families in itself are so diverse, with being mixed race, same-sex parents, huge age gaps between parents, parents having kids at a young or old age, etc. Things that once were deemed as unusual are now becoming the norm of today. Here are some advantages to parenting in the 21st century. In today's society, there are so many resources available for parents, such as education, that gives knowledge about the developmental stages of childhood, as well as different ways to approach raising your child. With things like technology and media, parents can keep up to date on the most current news and also keep in constant contact with their children as well. With technology, there is even the option to know of your child's exact whereabouts through a GPS tracker that can be downloaded onto their cell phone. According to the text by Lamanna, Reedman, and Stewart, the internet offers information for parents dealing with just about any situation. Here are some challenges to parenting in the 21st century. Societal values conflicting or going against the values of moral standards that parents try their best to instill in their children. Topics include music, entertainment, relationships, religious beliefs, etc. According to the text by Lamanna, Reedman, and Stewart, a majority of parents worry about juggling work and family demands and wish they had more time with their children. Having the role of taking care of your children as well as parents who may be elderly or ill can make parenthood challenging. Finding support in your society can sometimes be difficult for things such as after-school programs, extra help, such as tutoring, and more. A parent's authority can oftentimes be questioned, although parents are expected to raise children who are well-behaved and well-mannered. Here is my reference page, and that concludes my presentation.